In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox authenticator not sending the code. Now this is super simple, guys, and what you need to do is you need to contact their support team. So simply go to roblox.com. You can type roblox.com/support just like this. And once you're in here, you're gonna fill in your information. At the issue details, you want to select your PC or whatever you're using. Then go in here and find bug report and do bug report. Then you're gonna tell them that you are not receiving your code with the authenticator and let them know the email that they can contact you at. So type, my current email is, and then your email. You're not getting the authenticator code, so they should just send it to your email instead. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.